Let's make your phone appearance look beautiful. Hi guys, today in this video I will show you how you can make your phone appearance look beautiful. And to do this I will show you little steps, and if you follow all of them you will make your phone appearance look beautiful. But before we go into steps, if you are not subscribed my channel, do subscribe. And after you finish seeing the video, if you like it, don't forget to like and share to your friends. Okay, let's dive into the video. First go to your browser. In your browser search bar type Nova Launcher. Okay, here. After you search Nova Launcher, you will see dialog box like this, and you will find here we will download the Nova Launcher from App2Down. Okay, here get the latest version. Download. Okay, my download is now started. Okay, click download. This app may be harmful. Okay, download anyway. Click on download anyway. Okay, wait till the download is finished. Okay, after the file is downloaded, open it. And open it using your package installer. It is your default installer. Okay, click on always install. Wait till it installed this Nova app to your phone. Wait till the installation is finished. Okay, the app is now installed. Okay, after the application is installed, open it. You will see a dialog box like this. Nova 8 already have a Nova backup file. Restore it now. Okay, let's just forget about that. Okay, scroll and click here, the right one, the right logo. Now the next thing we will do is go to your Nova Launcher and click here the eye dots. Okay, in here find default. Okay, the default home screen. Yeah, let's change your default home app to Nova Launcher. Okay, here you can see after we change it to Nova Launcher, now our default launcher is Nova, and that's the first step. Okay, it's still ugly now. I think it's more ugly. Okay, to change this appearance and to make it look beautiful, let's go to the next step. Okay, in the next step, go to settings home screen. Here you can customize your icon size. Okay, for example, I make my icon size to 85%, and you can choose the grid. Okay, let's make it 7. Okay, it's 7. Padding, it's you can change it later when you don't like it the other day. Waiter corner radius is not that much important. Transfer, okay, yeah, translation effect, I think It's one of the most important appearance to make your phone look beautiful. Let's just choose the cube one. Basically, it's not important for me, but if you want to change it, you can make whatever you want, like card stack, tablet, revolving door, whatever you want. Finite scroll. Okay. All the settings I have showed to you are the settings you can change as you want. Okay, we finish on home screen for now. Let's go to app drawer. They are all the same. Okay, folder size, folder layout, linen. It's not important, okay, for me. So if you want, you can change it. Color, okay, look and feel. Like let's go to look and feel and see hello home screen. When phone is rotated, let's on hello home screen. Go to style. Again, you can change the color. Okay, let's change it to blue. In app drawer, in app drawer style, we can make it to vertical, list, or horizontal. When you make it horizontal, there is no more scrolling downward. You will scroll to the left or to the right. I think it's good. Okay, let's see it, whether it's good or not. I think it is not good still now. Okay, there's one setting left. Let's change that. Yeah, here it transparency. I make the transparency 100%. It's now okay. Again, go to settings. Now let's change the background. To change the background, go to your Play Store and in search bar type Darkify. The first one, black wallpaper Darkify. Just install it and wait till the download is finished. Darkify is a wallpaper app you can find You can find whatever you want, whatever you like, any backgrounds for your phone, and it looks amazing. They are beautiful, and they are basically black wallpapers, but they are not just black. It's just the name of the app, black wallpapers. There are many variety of wallpapers in the app. I will show you them when the application is finished downloading, and after the installation complete, I will show you all the backgrounds you can find in the Darkify app. Okay, let's just wait little time. Okay, after the download and the installation completed, just open the app, Darkify black wallpaper. Oh, the logo. Here we go. There are many, as I told you before, there are many wallpapers in the app, and they look beautiful, and they are quality wallpapers. You can use them for your phone appearance, for your phone wallpaper, and I think you will like it. You will like them. As I told you before, they are not all black, but many of them are black wallpapers, but they are not all. For example, let's make these to home wallpaper. Tata. As you can see here, my phone wallpaper is now good. I think it's better. It's just to show you there are many things you can do in Nova Launcher. There are many features in the app you can use. You can use them to make your phone appearance look beautiful, and they're all good. You can use them whatever you want. Okay, I think it's enough. It's now my new appearance. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, don't forget to like it and share it to your friends. And if you like my content, don't forget to subscribe, and you will get updates when I upload new videos. You will get notified and you will watch them. You can enjoy them. Okay, just see you in the next video. Bye.